Okay, so how do we get started actually playing the game? Right, so we go to the main site, which is wolf.game. If you ever want to know any links about Wolfgame, one of the best places to go is to the Wolfgame Twitter, @wolf.game, where you'll find links to the full game or to the Discord community, where you'll get any help, any questions you have will be answered. People are very welcoming and helpful. Okay, so on the website, top left there, we can see the play button. Clicking that, we're on the screen where we can see the square showing the 100 different communities, and above that, there's the volcano where the wolves live. Top left of the screen, we see the Connect Wallet button. Now, why is there that? Why isn't there a username and a password? To get into Wolfgame, we don't use usernames and passwords like we did in the past. We actually just connect our wallet. Our wallet is our passport into the game. Why is that? Because unlike normal games, where when we're finished, we put the pieces back in the box, put it back on the shelf, we own these pieces. The sheep that I play with in the game are mine. The farmers are mine. The wolves are mine. The land, they're my pieces, and they live in my wallet. So by connecting with my wallet, I prove to the game, I own these pieces. I can use them in this world. Now, does this mean we have to become some sort of blockchain expert just to play the game? No. We log in with our wallet, and there is something to learn there, how to use a wallet and stuff. I can make tutorials in future, but it's simpler than you think. If I can do it, you probably can too. Once we're in the game, it's just like any other game we've played. We click buttons and our sheep start harvesting, or we click buttons and our farmer protects our sheep, or the wolves hunt, or we pay taxes on our land. Inside the game, it's really running much like a traditional game. Okay, so once we've connected our wallet, it takes us through to one of Shep's classic animations, and below that, there's a button for the tutorial. Now, I suggest doing the tutorial because it's incredibly well done, very simple, and goes through all of the mechanics in the game step by step. Now, once we've done that, we've gone through the tutorial, we have to work out if we've got some wolves or if we've got some sheep, which of these 100 communities do we actually want to send them to? You can move in the game. You're not stuck in one community, don't worry. How to do this is we go to the My NFTs button on the top left, and there it shows us all the sheep we own or all the wolves we own, and we simply pick which community do we want to start with. Okay, so once I've placed them in a community, I could actually see them on the ground. So what's next? Next is resources. Chopping that wood and gathering that stone, and hopefully building my barns and building out my farm.